Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start EXP22 Excel Chapter 3 HOE Jobs. Now I'm going to move for the project description. You are an academic advisor for the School of Computing at a university. You recite the job outlook that indicated the number of jobs in 2019 and the estimated number of jobs in 2029. You will prepare several charts to help you identify trends. Here you can see it's a project title and here is the project description. Now I'm going to move for my Excel workbook. I can show you. Okay. Now I'm going to move for the project step. It says start Excel, download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 3 HOE Job. Excel Creator has automatically added to your last name of the beginning of the file name. Here you can see it's the first step of Microsoft Excel class. Chapter 3 EXP22 HOE Jobs. I can show you I already downloaded the Excel workbook. Now I'm going to move for my next step. In this Outlook sheet, use the Insert tab to create a cluster column chart for the range A5 to D9. Cut the chart and paste into H1. Set 3.5 height and 5.3 width for the chart. Okay. Now you can see here I'm going to solve the step number 2 now. First I'm going to copy this range. Okay, and insert according to the instruction I'm going to insert a cluster column chart. Here you can see it's a cluster column chart. I have inserted a cluster column chart. Then it says cut the chart and paste into H1. Cut this chart and paste into H1. I have made this one. Then it says set 3.5 height and 5.3 width for this chart. Okay. 3.5 height and in format tab 3.5 height and 5.3 width for this chart. Here you can see I have inserted this chart and modify this one according to the instruction of step number 2. Now I'm going to move for my next step number 3. In the Outlook sheet, use the recommended chart feature to create a recommended chart for the ranges A5 to B12 and D5 to D12. Change it to stack bar chart. So move the chart to a sheet named bar chart. Okay. According to the instruction of step number 3, I'm going to insert a new chart. By selecting the first range A5 to B12 and next range is D5 to D12. I have selected two ranges and create a recommend chart and then change its stack bar chart. And here I am going to change the chart type. Stack bar, okay. And then move this chart to new sheet name. Bar chart. Copy this one. And okay. I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. It's a display the new job worksheet. Select the ranges A4 to B9. Okay. Here you can see I am going to solve the step number 4 now. Select the range A4 to B9. Copy this one. Okay, I have selected the range according to the instruction. Let's say use quick analysis to create a pie chart. Move the chart to a new sheet name pie chart. Okay. By using the quick analysis tool, insert a pie chart. Here you can see I have inserted a new chart. pie chart, and then it say move this chart to a new sheet name. Pie chart. Okay. Now I'm going to move for the next step, step number 5. In the Outlook sheet, select the ranges A5 to E12, D5 to E12. Okay, create a combo chart with the line in cluster, column, line at secondary axis chart. Okay, now you can see here, I'm going to solve the step number 5 now. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access, Accounting, Mathematics, Finance, Management. If you need the instruction of any Microsoft class, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I can help out in all assignments, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam. In the Outlook sheet, select the ranges A5 to A12. Here is the Outlook sheet A5 to A12, and the next range I am going to select D5 to E12. Then it says insert a create a combo chart with line, cluster, column, line and secondary. Create a combo chart with the cluster, column, line and secondary axis. Okay. Here you can see I have inserted a chart according to the instructions. Then it says move the chart to new sheet name that's known as combo chart. I have moved the chart to new sheet name, that's a combo chart. Now I'm going to move for my next step, step number 6. With the combo chart selected, okay. Number of new jobs by 2029. For the job title, apply bold and black text on font color. Here you can see, okay, I have changed the chart title. Apply black text one, font color. Here you can see, okay, I have applied the change the font color according to the instruction. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. I am here to do a quadricate for you. Next it says select the pie chart type new job related 2029. For the chart, apply bold 18 font size. Okay, new computer. Okay, now you can see here for the pie chart, here you can see I am going to insert a title, copy it and paste it. Okay, apply bold 18 font size, black text one font color, bold 18 font size, and black text on font color. Here you can see. Next I am going to do, okay, select the bar chart type. Okay, bar chart title. Here you can see, select the bar chart type, projected number of the job 2029, bar chart and the chart title. Okay, select the column chart type. Okay, now I'm going to insert column chart. Here you can see the column chart. Okay, and apply bold and dark blue font color for the chart title. Select the chart title and apply the, okay, dark blue. I have made this modification. Now I am going to move for my next step. It's a with the column chart selected at primary horizontal axis as the title and type job title as the axis, applied dark blue font color for the OK. Now you can see here I am going to solve the step number 7 with the column chart selected at primary horizontal axis title. With the column chart selected at primary horizontal axis title. Okay. Primary horizontal axis title. Okay. Okay, primary, and I already copied the title and paste the title for the primary horizontal job title. You can see here, and it say apply dark blue font color for the axis title. Okay, you can see here I have changed the color for the horizontal axis title to job blue, title to dark blue. Now I am going to move for my next step. It says select the bar chart, change the maximum bound for the value axis. Okay, here you can see I am going to do the step number 8. Select the bar chart, change the maximum bound for the value axis. Select the bar chart. Here you can see select the bar chart, change the maximum bound for the value axis title. Okay, here you can see maximum bound and display the unit to thousands. Okay, I have made this modification. Apply dark blue font color for the axis title 1000. Here you can see I have selected and apply the dark blue font color. Now I am going to move for the next step. Step number 9. Select the pie chart at the okay. Now you can see here I am going to do the step number 9 now. Select the pie chart at the data label in the inside and position. I am going to select the pie chart, and here it says data label inside and position. Okay. Display the percentage label, remove. Okay, display the percentage label, remove the value data label. Okay, more option. Display the percentage label, remove the value data label. Apply bold and 18 font size for the data label. Bold and 18 font size for the data label. Okay, you can see here I have applied this. I have done the step number 9. Now I am going to move for the next step, step number 10. Apply the blue tissue paper texture fill to the chart area. Here you can see apply the blue tissue paper texture fill color for the chart area. Format plot area and format chart area. Blue tissue paper. Here you can see I have applied this one. You can see here I have done this modification according to the instruction. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. Now I am going to show the step number 11. Within the pie chart select add all text. Simply copy this all text. Okay. Here you can see. Okay, here you can see I have simply copied this all text. And okay, I have added all text according to the instruction. Now I am going to show the step number 12. Select the computer system slice, pie slice, apply red solid field color and export the slice to 10%. Select the computer system analysis slice. Select this slice Okay. Select the computer system analysis slide. Apply red solid fill color. Apply red solid fill color and explode slice to 10% and explode this slice to 10%. Okay, I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. Select the bar chart and apply the style 10. Okay, select the bar chart. Select the bar chart and apply the style 10. Select the column chart. Change the data source to changing the C to D. So okay, now you can see here I am going to select the column chart. And select the data source and it's say D to C, U to C, and next let's say show the data series and category. So the here are show the data series. Okay and okay. I have made this modification. Now I am going to move for my next step. Let's say in the Outlook sheet insert a new row D, new column D and type length insert D5 in the Outlook sheet. Now I am going to move to the Outlook sheet I already here and then let's say insert a new column D and D5, copy this one. Okay. Now I am going to move for my next step number 16. Select the ranges B6 to C12 and insert lines apart into the ranges. Okay, here you can see I am going to solve the step number 16 here. It says select the ranges B6 to C12 and insert a lines apart line in the ranges. Select the ranges B6 to C12 and insert lines apart line. Okay, now I am select the ranges, insert lines apart line. Insert a lines apart line in the ranges. Okay, I have inserted a lines apart line. Now I am going to move for the next step. Customize the spark line by setting vertical axis minimum value for the same. Okay, now you can see here I am going to customize the for same for the spark line. Okay, here you can see today I have done 100% xlsx exit chapter 3 HOE job. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I can help out in all assignments, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. I already gave my direct WhatsApp link in the description. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. I am here to do a quality grade for you. Okay, thank you so much.